I gotta be totally upfront with you. I am pretty much Switzerland on this subject. I love me a smash burger and I love me a thick burger. Just for the sake of argument, we're gonna do it. Smash burger versus thick burger. We're gonna keep these burgers pretty much the same. The thick burger is gonna be a half-pound patty and the smash burger is gonna be 2 quarter-ounce patties. So half pound, right? They're both gonna get 2 slices of American cheese and they're both gonna get a beautiful sear, Duke's mayo, and Dijon mustard. That's it, that's all that's going on these. Oh, and extra thick pepper bacon too. So let's get started on the pepper bacon and let's toast our buns. Bacon on. Okay, now for our buns, I like to add some oil down, whatever kind of fat you're using. Give them a smash into there. Oh, what happened to that bun? We'll use that for the baby's burger. Buns are going, bacon's going. All right, our bacon is looking pretty righteous. Half-pound burgers are gonna go on first. Salt at the top. Time for the smashies. Let them chill on that griddle for a minute. Peak on our Big Daddy burgers. Still a little bit to go on those. Dijon on the bottom. Smashy on the right. Oh, that's juicy. Okay, and we have a piece of bacon, 1 piece, and that is 2 pieces total. Duke's on the top. Help me understand. 2 pieces of bacon. Cross section of the smash. There's the cross section of the smash burger. Gorgeous. And the cross section of the thick one. Here we go. I'm not sure. Let's go smash burger first. The thick one. Rubber mouth. Now, like I said, I'm totally Switzerland over here, completely unbiased. I love both of them, but I like the thicker one better. Yikes! I appreciate you. See you next time. Okay, you didn't think that I would just leave you in the lurch with that kind of ending, did you? And not explain my positioning of why I liked the thick burger better. Well, I think after I just ate the whole thing and half of the other one, I guess I was really missing that bun for the carbs. But I think the thick burger, I like to use really good ground beef. I had some leftover ground meat that I ground myself, which was New York strip and filet and a bunch of other different trimmings. So yeah, I think the thick burger is a lot better when you're using maybe a higher grade beef. Plus you don't cook it all the way through, so you get a little bit of a juicier burger in that regard. So yeah, I think there's more flavor in the juice than there is in the grease. You think that's a good t-shirt? There's more flavor in the juice than there is in the grease? Yeah.
And then with a little asterisk, but I still like the grease.
But I still like the grease. There you have it. You know, there's more flavor in the juice than in the grease, but you do you. You know what I mean? If you love smash burgers more than the thick burgers, by all means, go make yourself a smash burger. Do it today. Make yourself smile. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching.
What are you talking about?
Help me